In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track projects in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing workflows, organizing tasks, and collaborating with your team. Whether you're working on a personal project or a large-scale team initiative, Trello's intuitive visual interface makes it easy to keep everything on track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create your own Trello board, set it up for success, and use its powerful features to manage your projects efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, start by clicking the plus button in Trello. It's located near the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Create Board. This is where your project begins. Next, give your board a name that's clear and action-oriented. Think of titles that reflect the purpose of your project, like website redesign or marketing campaign. A descriptive title helps your team instantly understand the focus of the board. Now it's time to structure your board by adding lists. Lists are the backbone of your workflow and represent the different stages of your project. For example, you might start with lists like backlog, to-do, doing, review, and done. These stages will help you and your team visualize the progress of tasks as they move from start to finish. Once your lists are in place, create individual cards for each task. Every card should focus on one specific unit of work. Keep the card titles short and to the point. Use the description section inside the card to provide additional details, context, or requirements. This way, your team knows exactly what each task involves without any confusion. To make your board even more organized, open each card and add labels. Labels are a great way to categorize tasks by priority, department, or type of work. For instance, you might use labels to mark tasks as high priority or to indicate which department is responsible. Agree on a consistent color system with your team so everyone understands what each label represents. Next, assign team members to cards. Simply click the Members button on a card and select the person responsible for that task. This ensures accountability and makes it clear who's working on what. Don't forget to set deadlines. Under the Dates section of each card, you can add due dates to keep everyone on schedule. Deadlines are a crucial part of managing any project as they help ensure tasks are completed on time. For tasks that involve multiple steps, use checklists within cards. Click the checklist button and break the work into smaller actionable items. This is ideal for complex tasks that require several smaller actions to be completed. As work progresses, drag cards across the lists to track their status. For example, move a card from to-do to doing once work has started and then to done once it's complete. This visual movement helps you see at a glance where everything stands. To get an even better overview of your project, use the different views at the top of your board. Trello offers options like calendar, table, and timeline views, so you can switch perspectives based on what you need to see. These views give you flexibility in how you monitor deadlines, team workloads, and progress. For even more efficiency, set up automation with Trello's Butler feature. Butler allows you to create rules and automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can configure it so that when a card is moved to the done list, it automatically marks the due date as complete. This saves time and reduces manual updates. Finally, use the comment section on cards to share updates, ask questions, or provide feedback. Trello's activity feed will automatically log any changes made to cards, giving you a clear history of what's been done and by whom. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized Trello board that keeps your projects on track and your team aligned. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.